Hello, team. So the last time we met, screen sharing, we talked about the idea of having our project be about the security vulnerabilities in wireless security. And if you recall, while we were meeting, we all felt pretty good about this topic and decided we have interest in it. And we actually even saw that we have significant resources at our disposal to do a good amount of research regarding this topic. A few of you mentioned that you have colleagues or friends that are either working or also interested and informed in this topic. And I'm in a security class myself right now, and we just covered the topic of wireless security um, just a couple weeks ago. So I have a lot of resources there that we can use to bolster up our research. Last time we met, we were also able to put a lot of things down on paper and even complete a proposal to begin working on this project, and we had a plan. And for that reason, I think it's the most efficient choice to just continue on in this topic and to keep working. And I'm excited to continue working with you guys. And thank you for your time.